Most of our customers have multi-vendor networks, and a large number of those are multi-vendor and what we call multi-generational networks. With that, you have to have people who know many different types of equipment over a long period of time. Everybody has that tier 3, tier 4 super tech who can log in and fix anything. But what happens when that person's not there, when they finally retire, when they go away? You lose all that institutional knowledge. So what we've done at LightRiver is we build in automation into Netflix and into our new software Prism. At Netflix, user can build any automation in they want. So they know if they see A, B, and C happen, that they're going to do D on the network, they can build that in and Netflix will take care of that. And with some of our larger customers, these automations run and clear alarms and troubles 5,000 to 10,000 times a day. Prism, we're taking more of an AI-centric model. We're building Prism specifically around agentic AI. So as Prism learns what the network needs, it will automatically ask the user if it wants to automate things and then eventually run those things on its own.